Hey, what's going on? It's David, and in this video I want to show you exactly how I've been able to earn just in the past 24 hours $1,644 in affiliate commissions by leveraging a system. I leverage a system that promotes multiple affiliate programs all at the same time, and it's actually an automated system where you can actually plug into it too. If you want to check it out, it's actually, the link is just below this video. So let me flip over the screen and show you exactly what this looks like so you understand how are the actual commissions being made with this. So if you're looking to make commissions online, you can start using it too. So as you can see right in front of you, there's a capture page. This is what we call a capture page in affiliate marketing, where basically it's a page where somebody gets to and they enter their email. Now what happens after this is I take the visitor into what we call a bridge page, where in here I show them different testimonials of other people that have tried the system before, made money with it. And essentially, as you can see here, Paulo made $376,000. Jane did $11,000 her first 3 weeks. Lisa did $2,000 commissions while she's at Bible study. And it goes on and on and on. And then what I do is essentially what the system does is it invites them to get on a webinar, where on the webinar I basically explain exactly how the system works, what are the different income streams and everything else. So what I want to do is I actually want to show you some of the behind the scenes of this, like what's actually going on. So this is the actual system. Once you're in the system, there's only a few things for you to do here after you've watched the webinar. When you create an account, this is where you're going to get to. So as you can see, we have a community, and if you want to check out all the people who have already made commissions, you want to connect with them, you can click here and basically connect with those people, come join our group. There's also instructions on how to promote. So if you're not sure, okay, that's great, I can sign up, that's the easy part, but how do I actually get visitors to this page here? Like maybe you're completely brand new and you don't know how to do any of this stuff. Well, there's actually two ways to do it. One of them is a completely free way to do it, and I show you how to do it actually in the system. And the second way is a paid way to do it, which basically you just flood your affiliate link with traffic. So this is what it looks like behind the scenes. There's a little explainer video here. As you can see, you just get one link to promote, and essentially what it does is it promotes all these different income streams for you, including a $2,000 income stream, a $300 income stream, a $748 commissions income stream, and also a up to $3,200 in traffic commissions that you can actually earn. So now let me show you the behind the scenes of what happens after someone essentially joins the webinar, because if you're looking to promote stuff online right now, the days of you just grabbing some kind of a link from a program and just sending traffic to it without any email follow-up, without webinars, without showing them proof and stuff, those days are over. They're done. Like, you can't do that anymore. I mean, you can try, but I can tell you from experience, if it was that easy, first of all, I'd be doing it, and second of all, everybody else would be doing it too. So that's the reason I created this system where, as you can see, lots of people have basically started using it, and Carice over here did 25,000 his first month. Shurin 19,000 in Australian dollars in his first 31 days with 100% free traffic, which again I show you right inside the system. And it just goes on and on. Sam, who's done 129,000 in 6 months. All of us are using a system. Now, why are we using the system? That's the next question, I guess. Well, you understand that you do need to show people like a webinar and things like this. And if you don't want to do the webinar yourself, well, then guess what? You're going to need someone to do the webinar for you, or you are basically going to be promoting without a webinar, which means your conversion rates are going to go like this. So the system, essentially the way it works is I'm the one that does pretty much all of the stuff that happens after the visitor gets to the page. So I'm the one who builds the capture page, like this capture page right here. You get to use this exact page. And by the way, this is a rotating page, which means that there's actually 3 versions of it. And every version, every time there's a new visitor, it changes a little bit because I'm constantly testing what is the best version that's doing the most amount of conversions. So that's another thing you're going to need to do if you're looking to promote online. You're going to need to do split tests. How do you find out the best version that works, that gets the most conversions? If you don't know how to do that, boy, then you're gonna need someone else to do it on your behalf. And the reason I'm telling you this is because all of this is available through the system. And what happens is I'm the one doing the split test, like on this page and the other pages. I'm the one that sets up all the bridge pages, the one that creates all the videos, the one that collects the videos, puts them on the page, as you can see, the testimonials and everything. Proof as well. If you're a promoter, you're gonna need proof. If you don't have proof, why would anyone join you? So when you use a system like this, the proof is already built in. You don't need to generate additional proof. You can if you want, but in here it's already built in. This is the reason why a lot of members who just got started, like example, Patrick, I've never met Patrick. I don't know him personally, but he was able to do a $2,000 commission while he was out there doing stuff. And I'm pretty sure he's not like a big online celebrity or anything like this, and he doesn't have a huge following. He just leveraged the system and was able to get that commission. Same for Karen. She's not some guru or anything. She's just a normal person that plugged into the system and was able to get $3,300 in one day, and even did $34,000 in her first 46 days. Now, I'm not guaranteeing any sales. Let me be clear about that. But this is essentially the closest path you're going to get, the fastest path you're going to get to shortcut through doing all the split tests, the webinars, the email follow-up, which, by the way, I do for you as well. And you are the one that gets to keep all the commissions. Now, how does that part work? How is it that you are the one that gets to keep all the commissions and I'm the one doing the work? If you're wondering about that, let me show you. So as you can see here, I'm in the members area. Now, in here, you can see set up income stream number one, which is, by the way, the most important income stream in the entire system. What you're going to want to do to be able to obviously get commissions online and make sales and all that kind of stuff, you're going to need a product to sell. If you don't want to create the product yourself, that's what this exact income stream is going to help you with. Essentially what it is, it's a collection of software, tools, training videos, and everything that you can purchase and get a license to resell as your own product and keep 100% of those commissions. So once you click here, you're going to be able to go check it out once you're inside the system. And essentially what happens is you activate the income stream, and I highly recommend you activate it to the $2,000 level, because you get to earn commissions up to the level that you have the license for, right? So once you activate your system, and activate this income stream, what happens is now you're going to get an affiliate ID that all you need to do is just bring it here, type it in, and just click save and update. And as you can see, if your username is Sunshine, you just put it in here and click save and update. Now what happens is every single time when you're promoting your system link and someone goes through the funnel, essentially, they go to the webinar, I explain everything, they check out the system. When they go to sign up themselves, what happens is this will be your affiliate link because they used your affiliate link to come in. That's how it works. So it essentially becomes like your system, where every single income stream that you've set up is now becoming your income stream where you can make commissions on it. This is exactly how I was able to do $1,644 just in the last 24 hours with this system. So what I want you to do now is this, and let me actually show you a little bit of behind the scenes. I know that a lot of people are kind of interested in this. So this is just from my shopping cart, but this is the webinar. Like if you don't currently run a webinar, and you want to create one, well, first of all, you should know that it's a bunch of work, right? Like it takes time to put it together, to put together the slides, to present it, to run it multiple times a day. And essentially, you're going to have, you're going to want to optimize this too. And this is something that I'm constantly monitoring. As you can see, 11,000 registrations, 750 people attended, show rate 64%. And to give you an idea, like in the industry, a 20% show rate is like amazing. Like if people get that, and this webinar is already converting at 64% for the show rate, plus the actual conversion rate to go and get people signed up to accounts and stuff. So there's pretty much a whole system waiting for you that you can just get access to by clicking on the link just below this video. And once you do, again, you're going to be taken to a page that looks like this, or maybe similar. But once you put in your Gmail account, that's when you can check out the whole thing. And I'd like you to come to a webinar where I can explain everything to you, and you can see exactly how this works and how is it that myself and many other members, like, actually when you get to this page, I'd like you to listen to some of these videos. Like, I actually did a whole interview with Karen showing exactly, you know, how she made the money that she did, and it just goes on and on. Bambi and Kile, who used to want to do $10,000 a month. Now he's doing that in like a single week. He's able to do that with the system. And there's his video talking about it. So come in, click the link below, check it out. And the last thing I want to mention is some bonuses that I want to include for you. These bonuses are pretty special. There's a whole package of $11,000 that I've prepared for you. Let me just pause this video here because it's going to continue talking. But basically, it's a whole bonus package that I'm even hooking you up with traffic. And to give you an idea, do you see this video that you're watching right now? This exact video. What I want to do is I want to give you the ability as one of the bonuses. I know that obviously you can sign up to any program, but to be successful in a program, let's just real talk, like let's just lay it out on the table. The biggest thing you need to do after you've signed up and activated your account is to send traffic, right? That's the only thing that's left because everything else is handled by me. I'm the one sending I'm the one that's sending out all the emails. I'm the one running the split test. I'm the one running the webinar. I'm the one maintaining the system, recording videos, uploading videos, optimizing the whole thing. But if you don't get visitors to your affiliate link for the system, nothing is going to happen. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to really make sure that members of my system have the biggest chance of success when it comes to getting commissions. So I've prepared a bonus package where I literally not only give you traffic, like some amount of traffic to your affiliate link, and that's from a special deal that I've done with income stream number one, but also I even give you access to my videos. Like, I actually give you the video file so you can use it on your social media, and you keep 100% of whatever traffic comes in from that, plus 100% of whatever commissions come in from that. So I'm basically hooking you up with an entire bonus package that's based around traffic and getting sales as quickly as possible, so you get the maximum amount of success possible with this system. And this is, in my opinion, this is the reason why a lot of these members are extremely successful. Like Lorna, who's, by the way, doing $2,000 commissions with 100% free traffic, like zero ad budget. And I even show you how to do this. So some traffic is included for you. I show you also where to get traffic. There's other bonuses that are included for you. It's an $11,000 package in value. So you definitely want to check this out. And I mean, I could go on and on. Here's Michael, who took a nap, woke up to a $2,000 commission. Dirk and Muriel, who are in Costa Rica, live in a very retired lifestyle and still able to do $4,100 in 24 hours. And it just goes on and on and on. And there's their video. Timmy, who did $20,000 his first month or so. Like, this page is literally endless. I'm gonna run out of a battery in my mouse if I just continue scrolling. But I want you to check it out. So here's what I want you to do right now. Very, very simple. First thing, just below this video, there's gonna be a link for you to click on. I want you to click it, and then when you get to the page, enter your email and get on the webinar. Okay, I run them multiple times a day. I want you to get on the next webinar so I can show you exactly how everything works in more detail, because I'm sure you're full of questions right now. The second thing is also come into the community. Now, by the way, if you're watching this on YouTube, if you want to also attend one of the live Q&A webinars that I do webinars specifically only for questions and answers, no like presentation or anything, just members hop in. I usually do them on my treadmill, and for 2-3 hours we just go at it. I answer whatever questions you've got, whether it's about traffic, whether it's about the system, or whatever. So if you're watching this on YouTube, there's going to be a subscribe red button somewhere. Just make sure to click on that, and this way you're going to get an update and an invitation to come to the live Q&A webinar. So that's basically all I got for you in this video. Go ahead, click the link below, especially if you're interested in earning big commissions online, not like small little $20 commissions and $7 commissions and stuff like this. In here, people are earning $2,000 commissions, $1,000 commissions, $3,200 in a single commission. And it's just big commissions that the system can generate for you by just sending traffic to your affiliate link and let me handle everything else. So last thing, if you're interested in earning big commissions while I do the work and you are the one that gets to keep all the commissions, click the link below and I'll see you inside the system, and I'll see you on the webinar really soon. All right, that's all I got for you in this video. Go ahead, click the link right now, and I'll see you inside the system very soon. Bye for now.